Welcome students to this demonstration of home visiting bag. હોમ વિઝિટિંગ બેગ એ એક મહત્વનું સાધન કહેવાય. જ્યારે જ્યારે આપણે કમ્યુનિટી હેલ્થ નર્સિંગમાં રૂરલમાં કે અર્બનમાં સેવાઓ આપવા માટે ઘરે ઘરે જઈએ ત્યારે હોમ વિઝિટિંગ બેગ લેવી એ મહત્વનું છે. હોમ વિઝિટિંગ બેગ વગર આપણે હોમ વિઝિટ કરી શકવાના નથી. તો WHO દ્વારા આપવામાં આવેલ આ હોમ વિઝિટિંગ બેગ એને આઉટર પોકેટ કહેવાય, બે સાઇડ પોકેટ છે અને અહીંયા ઇનર પોકેટ. One by one after the other, we will see about this. This is an outer pocket in which we carry the articles that are required for urine sugar. This is known as a test tube stand. This is called the test tube. We require it for the urine sugar home procedure. Either it may be a hot procedure or you need to do the urine albumin, and it is placed in this way. This is called the test tube holder. The test tube is being held in this way. There is a lock, so you try to bring it forward and it remains locked. So make it sure that it is locked properly so that it can remain without the help of other hand. And then just you place it in this way. This is the specimen bottle that we need to give to the patient to collect the urine. Whenever you give this bottle, always you give it without cover. Cover should be kept with you. Only just you give the bottle and inform or advise the patient properly so that it can bring the urine to third part. This is the dropper. The dropper is used to take the urine and then 8 drops are being added. Then when you will learn the procedure, that time it will be explained to you. So this is the dropper to collect the urine. This is called the Benedict solution that is required for the urine sugar hot test. Here you have the spirit lamp. So the spirit is being filled in this, and then this is the wick. With the help of the matchbox or matchstick, we light it and then we use it for the hot test of the urine. And to blow it off, do not need to blow it this way, but cover this in this way, automatically it will be off. There is a syringe. It is called a syringe. So with the help of this syringe, you can take the Benedict solution and then pour into the test tube. But if you do not have the syringe, take the measurement of your thumb in this way and then you can take the urine. So at home level, but this is the method, practical. But if you have this syringe, take the 5 ml of Benedict solution and place it in the test tube. This is called the fetoscope. Fetoscope is used for the calculation or the measuring the fetal heart sound for the antenatal mother. This is called hemoglobin scale. Means to find out the HP level at home level, this scale is being used. This is a plastic apron. In case if there is any emergency delivery, then to protect your linen, protect your uniform, you have to wear it in this way so that you can prevent soiling of your dress in this way. So this is called apron. This is a slide to collect a drop of blood for the malarial parasites to know it. This is matchbox with a matchsticks. Now we go to the side pocket. In the side pocket there will be a duster to wipe the articles or any spoilage. The newspapers are taken extra. Always the bag has to be kept on the newspaper. Never it has to be without newspaper on the dirty ground or on the cot. Always it has to be kept on the newspaper so that it should not get spoiled or soiled, because this is the only bag that you will be used to provide the care from one home to another home. So, to prevent the infection from one place to another place, you need to keep the bag always clean. Now we go to the other side. There is a down compartment. In this down compartment, there are medications, some of the powders like the salt, sugar, and the medicine like paracetamol, iron tablet, Evil tablet, B complex, and also the solutions. Solutions like Benedict solution, Saulon, iodine, hydrogen peroxide, etc. And this is the inner compartment, or we can know the sterile compartment. Whenever we need to do any dressing or for the delivery, the articles that are used, it has to be sterile. So we use it. This is the delivery kit. The kit is provided by the government, and all the articles that are needed for an emergency delivery are kept here. This is the surgical gloves. Suppose an infected patient's dressing you need to do, then you need to wear the gloves. Here we have the sterile cotton sock for the dressing. Here too, you will have the sterile gauze pieces to do the sterile dressing. Here are some of the instruments that you require for the dressing purpose. This is called the Cheater forceps to take out the sterile gauze or sterile cotton sock from the container. And if you do not use, place it in the same way. This is called the scissors to cut the cord or any other bandage or the dressing material. This is called the artery forceps for the dressing purpose. And this is called a thumb forceps or the tooth forceps. It has got a tooth, so it is known as tooth forceps. There are also forceps without tooth. They are known as toothless forceps or dissecting forceps. These are used for the dressing purpose. So, after doing the dressing, if the instruments are soiled or contaminated, you bring it in the separate plastic bag and then wash it with the first plain water, then soap water, and then send it for the sterilization. This is called the kidney tray. Kidney tray is used to collect the wet dressing material or the soil material. This is the enema set for the delivery. In case of emergency delivery, you need to keep the mother, then the enema is given to find out whether she has a true labor pain or false labor pain. So this is called the simple urinary catheter to empty the bladder. And here you have the ready-made solution to introduce into the rectum to clean the bowel of the mother. Here you have the mask. You need to put the mask. Here again you have for the baby, they separating the baby from the mother by cutting the cord. This is known as the cord cutting scissors. It has to be sterile. This is the sterile waspice. This is known as the mucus sucker. The dirt from the mouth of the baby is being removed or sucked out through the help of the mucus sucker so that the baby can breathe immediately after the birth and the cry is made by the baby. And this is known as the pin or the clamp, to clamp the umbilical cord of the baby, and then it is cut. This is the pack used for the dressing. Here all the dressing materials are being kept. This is again the kidney tray to collect the waste material. This is the iodine to clean the surface. This is the bandage. There are different types of bandages, 1 inch, 2 inches, 4 inch, 6 inches bandages. So according to the size of the dressing, you can use the bandage. There are sterile combined dressing pack or the waspices. There are other solutions like Savlon to disinfect the skin and a spirit when the wound is not open or the stitches are there. Whenever you do the dressing of the stitches or stitch removal, you need to do the dressing with the spirit. And the container, it is known as vati, that can be used to pour the solution if you require for the dressing. This is called the thermometer. Thermometer is used to check the temperature of the person. There are various types of thermometer. This is known as clinical thermometer. There is a rectal thermometer. It is used for the infant or the babies, and this is the clinical thermometer that is used for the adults. It has to be kept in such a way that it should not break, because the mercury that is in the glass, that should not be spilled out. It has to be washed always with the cold water, never to be washed with the hot water. That we need to remember. So, once again, the home visiting bag is very important to provide the services at the home level in the rural areas or whenever we provide the community health services. And these are the articles that are placed in this community health